Actually, that's true. Kailangan talaga tayo magkaroon ng LEDAC meeting because yung first quarter estimates po natin on the growth will be, ako fearless forecast, flat growth. Wala tayo, hindi tayo negative pero hindi din tayo positive. I feel we might have just a 1% growth rate for the first quarter and might go even worse as the days go by pag dumadami yung COVID-19. And therefore, we appeal to government to take a more proactive measure. In Italy, the government has already requested that all banks withhold mortgage payments. So, yung may mga utang, hindi mo na magbabayad ng utang sa bangko. Yan ang utos ng gobyerno nila. Para sa ganun ay medyo, kasi alam naman po nila, pag lockdown, wala po silang trabaho. Lalo na yung mga laborers. Wala po silang trabaho, daily wage earners, wala po silang trabaho.
Special session daw.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.